Alright guys, so I'm coming at you with another video. As you can see, all my other videos been me and my curls, my dreads, my braids. Oh, I ain't do my dreads yet. The braids, my wigs, all that. But what you haven't seen in a very long time is this right here. So I haven't really showed my natural hair on camera in a long time. And it's not because I have a love-hate relationship. I just haven't really got around to it. I usually wear my natural hair in the summer, not so much in the winter. And for me, winter is more of a wig season because like it's a wig, it's a hat, you know. Today's review is basically going to be about my natural hair. I have been natural since about 2013. No, 2012. I never forget. May 16th, 2012. I just moved to Jacksonville, Florida. Didn't know nobody, didn't have no friends. Really? And I cut off all my hair. And it really, I mean, you would think it would be longer than that by this, but unlike some people where they always like, my hair not growing and then worry about, you know, length retention and all that extra stuff. No, I was probably obsessed with it for the first 3 to 4 months or first 6 months being natural. You know, I got all the kits, tried all the products, whatever the case may be. But then it ended up being natural hair. You spend just as much time trying to play with your natural hair as you do playing with weave and wigs. I really don't really care for natural hair products like that. I usually just put some coconut oil in my hair and I don't know, some leave-in conditioner or some gel, whatever I got laying around the house. Here lately I just been using Aunt Jessie's flaxseed gel and water and good to go. Like that's the only thing I put in my natural hair. So the other day when I went to beauty supply to go get my bleach stuff, if you watched the other video, I found this African Pride. Now I always know about African Pride products, but you know, I just like, oh, it looks like another gel, so I just get it because it's another gel. And I keep on hearing all these rumors or stories and reading blogs about, and even some YouTube videos about, you know, the gel that everybody use is killing us and giving us cancer or I don't know, stopping us from having babies or something. Anyway, so I'm always looking for something new that's a little jelly. And that's why I stopped using regular gel and I only use flaxseed gel. Anyway, I thought I wanted to try this. And so these curls in my hair right now is courtesy of this. So it's only been about 12 hours. I also wore this in my hair yesterday with the same results. Again, so far I would say I like it. It does definitely make my curls pop a little more. I'll try to do a close-up video of that. It does make my curls pop a little more. When you first put it in, it's wet, but then it dries, and once it dries, it actually dries kind of quick. I actually put the gel, I washed my hair real quick, put this in it with a little bit of coconut oil, because this is the coconut oil I use, so these two together. Put the coconut oil in my hair, then threw this in my hair, and boo, I was out the door. It took me 45 minutes to get to work, and by the time I was at work, my hair was dry. And that's because I put a little crack in the window, but it was dry. So, this is the product. It is called Shea Miracle Moisture Intense. Moisture Intense Curl Styling Custard. Okay, it is about 12 ounces. So if you ever want to know what 12 ounces of product is, this is about 12 ounces product right there. 12 ounces, 12 ounces. I don't know what's in focus or not, but 12 ounces. It is by African Pride. It actually says it's new. So I don't know how new it is. I mean, It could be came out last year, but if they ain't sold out yet, it's still gonna say new on the bottle. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, this is for natural hair, boost shine, define curl, style, and tame frizz. Now, I don't really have no frizz, and I definitely got some defined curls up in here. Definitely got some defined curls in here. I mean, just for the last 2 days, personally, I would say I like it. My hair is about a 4B, 4C. It's really tightly coiled. I mean, when I don't have no product in it, it looks shorter than this, and it's super matted and is very, very, very thick and coarse. But this stuff is almost like it works like magic. Like, as soon as you put it in your hair, it stretches out. Cause y'all can see, even now, like, y'all know, shrinkage ain't no joke. We've been talking about it for years. But yeah, this is the product. It's called Shea Miracle. Gives amazing manageability, softness, and shine for natural hair. It says it's a curling custard. All these suggestions, of course, I will put that on one of these sides so you can see all the chemicals in here. It actually says that it is scalp safe products. It has a scalp safe product seal on here. It says no sulfates, mineral oil, parabens, or glutens. None in here. And the one thing I always look for when I get a product is alcohol. And this has no alcohol. So some of the stuff that I can pronounce, it has water, aloe, leaf extract, officinalis, leaf extract, rosemary, a whole bunch of oil, y'all. Coconut oil, European fruit oil, olive oil, magnifica, cedar, seed butter, mango, kernel oil, argan oil, hydrogenized tricuculum. Y'all see. Anyway, let's go ahead and show you the consistency. You can see it's very jelly. I love the smell of this. It really smells like I could smell the oils, the not mineral oil, but coconut and mango. Really smell the mango hard. If you want somebody to be like, ooh, girl, your hair smell good, this is probably what you want. And that's probably why they made it orange. Yes. So this is the mango. Y'all can see the consistency. So, ooh, it feels really, really nice. It's thick but not watery. Y'all can see. Oops. Anyway, I got some on my shirt, y'all, but don't look at it. But yeah, you can see the intensity. Hopefully I can zoom in on that so you can see. So that's how it looks. Put a little bit more in my hair so y'all can see how it look when I put it in my hair. Ugh. Yeah, when you first put it in, you be like, oh no. But y'all, it don't really have no whiteness. But as soon as it dry, whatever you was panicking about kind of goes away. But yes. See, hopefully I can zoom in on these curls so y'all can see them. I don't want to move out of focus. But yes, these is the curls for the girls. I like it. If you wear a lot of TWAs, tiny little afros, and you just want it to be nice and curly and cute, this is a good product you probably want to try. Let's put some on this. This is probably a product you want to try. Let's see, because it's so silky, y'all. Let's see. Now, I could have took my slow time and went through each piece. But y'all see that? I can't see it. Where my mirror at? Yes, curls for the girls. Okay. So yeah, y'all see that curl right there. So if I wanted to, I could go through each individual section and put this gel on it just so I can get them curls. So hopefully we can see that curl right there. Y'all see? Anyway, yeah, so that is the product. I like my curls. Y'all see a little curl falling? Yes, honey, yes. Yes, honey, yes. Yes, I'm feeling my natural hair. Feel in it. Anyway, so yeah, the smell smells just like mango, kind of like a mango popsicle. Kind of make you want to eat it, but it does have a good smell, a really silky feel. I mean, even after putting it in my hair, it has a real silky feel. So if you kind of like that slip, this is the product that has that little slip to it. Anyway, I'm feeling it. I say check it out. At least try it once. It was only $4.99. Baby, $5 for this? $5 at my local beauty supply. So it's probably cheaper online. Anyway, I say go check it out. And that's that product. So I'm probably gonna make me another video. Probably try to do a twist out tonight, but tomorrow, yeah. This is a product I got, a new product that I found. It's the Main Choice Tropical Moringa. Yes, yes, yes. All right, guys. So that was the end of that video. Thanks for checking it out. I will see you guys again in my next video. And of course, it's going to be about my natural hair. Anyway, deuces, I'm out.